Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
AC Power Bank. Number 5. AC Outlet Laptop Portable Battery Pack. Portable AC Power Bank. Novoo Power Bank AC Outlet is your energy solution to keep your laptops. Need different types of ports? No problem. Novoo comes with 3, USB Type-C, USB-A. Your portable fast charging solutions. Life doesn't wait for you to be fully charged. Only a little bigger than a soda can. Compact size, 80mm by 80mm by 155mm, and low wattage. Surge protection, short circuit protection are in place to ensure the safety of you and your devices. Number 4. AC Power Bank with AC Plug External Battery Pack. Amar's AC Portable Power Bank is an ideal solution that allows you to charge your electric devices anytime. The power bank with outlet has a high input and high outputs. Amar's AC Power Bank is highly efficient and ensures the least possible loss of energy during the charging process. Built-in software under-voltage and over-voltage protection, short-circuit protection. We provide 12-month warranty. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service. Number 3. AC Outlet Portable Laptop Power Bank. FCC, Senro HS approved. We put safety first and treat you as supremacy. The battery provides enough juice to power your 12-inch MacBook for 1.8 times. The AC Power Bank charger is lightweight and compact for you to put into your backpack or suitcase. An AC 100 watts output, a 17 watts USB output, and a 18 watts Type-C output make it more compatible for 1X3120 MOC AC Power Bank, 1X Micro USB charging cable, 1X Type-C charging cable. Number 2. AC Outlet Portable Laptop Charger, TSA approved. Jackery Portable Power Station, power outdoors. Your safety, our concern. Each power bar has been designed 110 volts/85 watts, 100 watts peak. AC outlet provides a great solution to AC power supply. Note, it may only provide about 50% charge to your MacBook Pro 15-inch if you are using the laptop. 1 times Jackery Power Bar 20800 AC Portable Charger, 1 times USB Wall Charger, 1 times USB-C cable. Number 1. AC Outlet Power Bank RAV Power 20100 mAh External Battery. New and improved version, 2-prong AC output with a power supply on/off switch indicator for devices. Charge 2 devices at once. Type-C and a smart USB ports allow for fast and simultaneous charging. A 20100 mAh Power Fortress Enough juice to charge an iPhone 7 for 5. 6 times, a Galaxy S8 for 3. 7 times. Faster recharge between uses, with a 19V/1. 6A DC input, the battery recharges in just 3.5 hours. Advanced protection, keep your gadgets safe from overcharge, short circuit,